Hey guys, welcome back to Making Frugal Fun. I'm Shannon and I share our family's debt-free journey to pay off over $500,000 of debt. And I also really love sharing some cleaning motivation and decluttering and organizing videos, which is what we're going to do today. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss anything. So one of our biggest motivating factors for getting out of debt was because we wanted to buy our first house, and we had so much debt that it was like way more than a mortgage payment just on our like minimum debt payments. So buying a house was never really an option for us. So now that we've cleared over $579,000 of debt, we still do have a business loan for our medical practice left. But now that we have cleared all of that personal debt and all the student loans, we have the money to finally buy our first home. So we are going to be moving soon, and I'll talk more about that soon in one of my next update videos. But today I just wanted to do some decluttering and organizing motivation with you guys. So make sure you grab your coffee and come along with me. So in our new house, we do have like a built-in area for where our TV goes, and there's like cabinets and everything, which is where we'll store all of the stuff that's in this TV stand. So I'm just decluttering everything in here and starting to pack it away. It's still several weeks out from when we'll actually be moving, so we can't do a ton of packing yet, but things like this where it's just clutter building up, I want to go ahead and get all of that removed and get this TV stand clean. We've had this TV stand, I don't know, since we like moved to Texas 7 years ago or whenever it was. And we will definitely be selling this in our garage sale that we will have whenever we move out. And when we moved out of our last house, we had a huge garage sale, and it's nice because usually what you make from the garage sale helps to cover the costs of hiring movers or maybe buying like, you know, a small piece of furniture or something like that for the new house, depending on what you have to sell. We have quite a bit of furniture that we don't plan on taking with us, and just a lot of random clutter to clear out. But I'm going ahead and packing away all of these photo books since I know we won't be needing those in the next few weeks. And does anybody else do these Shutterfly books still? Because I used to make a Shutterfly photo book for like literally every life event, and for the first and second child I did them, and I still haven't finished my third child's baby book. So I really need to do that because now I'm pregnant with our fourth, and so I am pretty sure I'm going to be really behind on making baby books, but I'm pretty sure that's just how it goes whenever you have multiple kids. The first one and maybe the second one always get like all of the nice baby books and everything, and then you get busy and it just gets so much harder to do all of that. I also already removed all the frames and artwork that was on our walls, or most of it anyways. And so I took out all the pictures because I know I'll want to be rearranging and probably printing out new pictures, because I don't even think I have a family photo with my third child, like a professional family photo. And now we're about to have number 4. So I am really hoping to get like a nice newborn picture with the whole family to put like above the fireplace or something like that in our new house.
How I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind.
We've been stuck at home with an ice storm, so I've had all this extra time to do stuff like this, honestly, or I probably would be procrastinating until the last minute. So I'm just decluttering books now. Yesterday I spent the whole day decluttering the kids' books, so just taking out some that they don't read anymore. This is an old Bible that I'm donating. So all these older books I'm going to donate, ones I don't read anymore, anything like that. And then I was also going to show you how I organize my Bible study stuff, because I found when I was cleaning out that Bible, I found this like Bible verses for pregnancy, like to help with anxiety and stuff like that while you're pregnant and for delivery. And so I want to save that, and I'll put it in where I have all my Bible study stuff, and I want to show you it because it's a really cool hack that I found on TikTok.
It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did.
One thing I'm very excited about for the new house is that we're going to have an office, And as you can see, I just have like all these printables and stuff from my blog. And now I 100% work from home now on Making Frugal Fun. So I have this stuff shoved everywhere around the house, piles of clutter. I'm looking forward to having an office to organize everything and have a place to work. This is the Bible study organization I was talking about. So this is actually a diaper caddy, and I saw this hack on TikTok. I can't remember where I saw it, but it's supposed to be for like organizing diaper stuff, but it is a genius hack for organizing like your books and Bible study items. So I have like my Bible, highlighters, pens, everything, and I just like carry it around and put it either like by the couch in the morning or by my bed. And it's just so much better than having piles and piles of books everywhere. These are a couple of Bible studies I'm doing right now, the Catholic All Year book, and a book I'm reading right now. And then I have like a journal, The Power of a Praying Wife. I love that book. Highly recommend it. So just some of my favorite Bible study tools so that I can easily bring them around and have them there, and some really fun pins, and everything stays nice and organized together. Oh, and those are my noise canceling headphones, which are really cool. They're called Loops. And then I'm just tucking that pregnancy Bible verse thing that I found while I was decluttering. Now it's in my Bible study area. And I'll link the diaper caddy below too if you're interested in organizing your books like that. Also, are we the only people left on the planet that still have a DVD organizing case? Because I feel like we probably don't need it anymore because everything's, digital or Netflix. But we still have a bunch of movies, and I hate throwing them away.
I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this.
Here's the digital detox book I just found. It is really helpful for getting your kids off electronics. We did it right before summer. Of course, we slid back into some bad habits, but it was really helpful right before summer so that my kids weren't just like on their video games and stuff all day long. And I highly recommend it to anyone that struggles in that area. And then I'm just organizing my son's Nintendo stuff.
It's been so cold without you here. We barely said goodbye before you disappeared. It's been so cold without you here. I'm not gonna lie, don't know what I'd do without you. Maybe we could try to figure out a way to put our past aside. I've realized I only want you. I hope it's not too late. I want you back here with me. We never should have said it's better this way.
I really enjoy making these cleaning and decluttering motivation videos because it's something I personally struggle with. Like homemaking, cleaning, it just does not come natural to me, and I want to be better at it. So let me know if you like these types of videos. I think they're really fun. I try to put relaxing music on and try to motivate you to get things done. I'll be keeping you guys updated on all of our packing and moving journey and all the budget-friendly DIY projects in our new house. I'm just so excited to finally own our first home. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
I'd rather be with you than someone I don't know. Now it's like we're living